Have you ever tried drawing lashes and they don't look really sharp and natural? CD Clockwise channel will give you just about 1 minute teaching video so you can just practice how to perfect your lashes right after watching. First thing that you need to have is obviously to have really thin pen. I would say that you can still make the lashes sharp with 0.5 pencil in case of sketching, but for pen line art, the pen should have at most the size of 0.1 tip. Out of other brands, I love Copic and Unit pen fine line the most. However, Copic one is a bit better in terms of using it over shiny layer of color. Like sometimes when you use color pencil, the paper will become shiny, and Copic can be used over that area while Unit pen cannot. Second is to draw both upper and lower lashes with really thin lines and make them spread out from the inner part of the eyes. Make it look curvy and don't draw it straight in just one particular direction. Third step is the most important trick to make it look sharp. You should add a thickness at the base of the lashes. I used to try adjusting my pen pressure to achieve this look, but it normally doesn't look as fine as I would like it to, so this trick really helps me out. More other tricks on line art like this can be seen on my How to Sketch Like a Pro video, so you can find it on the link in the YouTube card above. That's it for today. Please consider pressing the thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you find this video helpful. All the equipments and other social media platforms are linked in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye!